Hey baby, where are we?
We're in Charleston, South Carolina. We're here at a park after hours of our seminar, giving Alyssa a little bit of exercise.
So speaking of exercise, right, taking Alyssa out to play,
Yeah.
You guys had a big day yesterday.
We did, yeah.
What'd you do?
I took her over to Fort Sumter on the ferry and we checked out the island and the fort.
What is the significance of Fort Sumter?
It was a fort by the Confederate soldiers, or taken over by the Confederate soldiers.
And it's right here in the water somewhere?
Yes, it is.
Did you have a good time?
We did, yeah.
Cool. All right, let's check that out, shall we?
All right. We are headed to Fort Sumter to go get another stamp and go check it out. Yes, we're taking a ferry to get over to the island. In your backpack? Let me see. Okay, it's in there. You're ready, huh?
Away.
Okay, and you got your mermaid for the fun of it, too.
Yeah.
All right. You're going to put her in it? This is all about the fort. It's called Fort Sumter today. This is the place we're about to go to. Boat. Do you see it?
Yeah,
Here we go. You see another boat over there?
Precious sweet harmony, you got the best of me. Every day of your life, don't you wanna be my wife? Do you wanna hold me?
Yeah, it looks like you and Alyssa had a good time, and
We
you
did,
learned a
yes.
little bit about history. I wish I could join you, but I'm busy with the seminars. You know, you got the fun stuff, you know?
Yeah, she did pretty well.
Yeah, anyways, folks, that's been another episode of
Sarah and Alyssa.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. I feel like Alyssa has just taken my place from my own show. I'm not sure if I'm happy with that, but her videos are getting more views than mine.